Hi everyone, how are you? I'm so excited today. Today is a special day. I've managed to get some of the disguise pins. I am so excited. So join me the other side of the intro and we'll see what's in here and the other couple of boxes I've got, and we'll see which ones the hidden pins are. Hit it, maestro. It's a Friday afternoon here in the UK. I'm recording of an afternoon instead of a morning, so you didn't hear me go morning, because it's afternoon. That's even crazier. But anyway, I've been to the hairdresser. I've been vavavooned. I had to have the rest of my hair dyed the same blonde colour as my roots. So that's what I've been doing today. But I've come home and I wanted to record a couple of videos for you. So the first one I wanted to do were these disguise pins. I've had 5 come in the post so far. I do have some more on their way as well. I wanted to see if I could get the set. And I hadn't seen these, and because they're only LE of 1000, I knew that after the initial day they'd be so hard to get hold of. So shall we see what we've got? I've got 5 boxes here. Yeah. Right, so shall I show you what's on the back first? So we know so far is that top right hand, I don't know his name, but I know he's out of Monsters. Then we've got Cogsworth. Then we've got one of the 101 Dalmatians. We have then got, is it Robin Hood? And he's dressed as the man with the keys by Pirates. I think that's what he's dressed as, isn't he? Then you've got Peter Pan as Captain Hook. And then the last one, you've got Dumbo. And is he dressed as Timothy? I think he might be. So those are the ones we know. And I do have one of all of those. I've only got 5 boxes here at the minute. Another box had to be sent separately because of the weight of the parcel. So I know I've got those, but I don't know which 6 pins are actually inside. So shall we open the first one? So the first one we have got is the Dalmatian pin. And his disguise is he's covered in mud. I think that's what his disguise is, right? So let's have a look. So, oh, it's quite clever how they've done this. So on the box, you've got your 1 pin that side. So you've got your Dalmatian, and I think there's room then to put the other pin in. So there's your Dalmatian. Let's have a closer look on the back. Right. Do you know, with shorter nails, sometimes it's harder to get the backs off than it was with longer nails. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so it's got the normal pin trading logo. So you've got normal pin trading logo, you've got the Disney made in China, you've got the limited edition of 1000, and you've got the fact number down there. So, oh, oops, wrong way. So here it's where it's got 1000. And so that first pin is one of the Dalmatians. And I have to say, it's quite a lightweight pin. It's not particularly heavy. It's not very thick either. It's a good size. These pins were actually, let's put it on there so I can show everyone. These pins were actually £19.99 a box. So yes, I suppose it's like a £9.99 pin, isn't it really? Because you get 2. So it's like a silver pin. So let's see what's in. It's a black bag, black little baggie. So let's have a look what's in here. Now I was hoping for this one. I was, because I've got a Monsters collection, haven't I? So in this one, we have got Boo. And that's how she dressed. She dresses up like that, doesn't she, as a monster in the movie? I'm sure she does. Look, well, if she doesn't, it's my imagination. Because when I saw this, I thought, oh, that's just normal. So you've got Boo there. So, put her on my pin board. Next pin, it's the Peter Pan pin. So there we go. So you've got Peter Pan dressed as Captain Hook. So these are really nice pins, aren't they? They're so tongue-in-cheek. Oh, they're really tongue-in-cheek. I wish having seen some of the other videos, I wish they'd have made them a little bit more different, I suppose. So instead of it being Peter Pan and Hook, they'd have really done something very different. That is a very nice pin. And what was his mystery reveal? I wonder if they'll all be different. I wonder if each box has got a certain reveal pin. That would be strange, wouldn't it? Right, so I'm not looking yet. I'm trying to take the back off. Right, okay, back's off. There we go. Oh, we've got, is that Mulan? We've got the Mulan pin, haven't we? Right, so put him next to her, him, her next to, ooh. Right, so let's put Mulan next to Peter Pan. Right, so 2 boxes down, 3rd box to go. Ooh, well, this is very flavour of the month, this one. You know it is, don't you? I wonder if it's easy to just, oh, it's easy to just rip them off the back, then pull them off. Oh, I do like to cheat. We have Dumbo. We have Dumbo. I like that one. That's really nice, isn't it? The colours, it's really vivid. I really like that. So, who was the mystery bag with Dumbo? Shall we have a look? Oh. Doesn't want to come out. Come on. Oh, right, okay, right. Okay, we got. Oh, we've got another Mulan. So, they don't put the same doubles in each box. 2 Mulans. Right. So that's the first duplicate. Right, box number 4. Right. Who's this? Oh, isn't he out of Monsters? Is he out of Monsters? No, he's out of Stitch. What are you on about? Karen, he's out of Stitch. It's because he was an alien, wasn't he? So I was bound to think it was Monsters. So there you go. So there's that one. And what will the second pin be in the bag here? Right, okay, ready? What will it be? What will it be? What do we want it to be? What do we want it to be? Who's that? No, isn't he out of the Great Mouse Detective? I think he is. Out of the Great Mouse Detective. That's quite a plain one, really, isn't it? I don't know what they're meant to be dressed up as. Maybe they're dressed up in the movie. I can't remember. It's been ages since I saw that film. I can't remember. I can't remember. Right, okay. Is that right? Yeah, so last box. Box number 5. Couldn't add up then. Right, box number 5. So the first one we know isn't a duplicate. And I love this character. I think in the movie they're so funny. And it's Cogsworth. Look at his face there. That's just hilarious. But who's he trying to be? I'm not sure he's trying to be. Is he trying to be a pirate, or he's got scissors and a hat? Who's that? I'm not sure, but that's a nice pin, that is. That's a really nice one. And then the last one. The last mystery one. So who will be with Cogsworth? Oh, we got another mouse detective. Oh dear. So, well, that's not bad, is it really? And I didn't ask for any help this time. I'm saving my help for the important stuff. I don't want you to be weak, so you're sending me vibes. It's the important stuff. Right. Let's have a look at all the ones I got. So I actually got 8 out of the 12 sets. So that's not bad at all. So these are the ones we got. So we got the Dalmatian and Boo, Peter Pan and Mulan, Dumbo and Cogsworth. We've got Stitch and the Mouse Detective. And then over here, the duplicates are Mulan and the Mouse Detective. So I think that was really wasn't bad at all, was it? So I wonder when the other boxes come if I'll have completed it. I wonder. Hope so. Especially as I ordered them and I forgot I'd ordered the extra ones. But anyway, I won't do that again. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed that. I love all of these mystery pins. I had some from Shanghai. They did the conceal and reveal and I had some of those and I absolutely adore these. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. There's a link coming at the end of the video. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be good, be kind. And I'll see you really soon. Bye everyone. Bye for now. Bye.